Welcome everyone. This is the YouTube channel of AI automations. We will be covering basically this channel is going to be a step-by-step beginner's guide getting into AI, building AI agents for non-techies, beginners, and whatever I learn, I will show everybody. I'll make a video on it and taking you guys through step by step. And it's gonna be exciting. And I'm excited because it's a challenge to myself. I'm not a developer, so it's gonna take me a bit longer as well. But whatever I learn, I will share with the community. So make sure you join the journey, like and subscribe to the channel. It's a new channel, so let's grow this community together. What else? Follow me on my socials. I can post a LinkedIn and my Instagram down below and my Discord community. Okay. So number three, let's experiment with AI. Firstly, what are AI agents? An AI agent can perform tasks or make decisions. Number one, it's independent. So they work on their own without needing any constant human help, which is cool. They are goal driven. They are built to complete specific tasks or solve problems. They are interactive. They can sense the environment and respond to it, which is cool. They can adapt. They're smart and adaptive, which is our next point. They learn from data, which is awesome, and get better over time, which we all need and we all know in the future what AI is going to do. Why are AI agents useful? Like, number one, automation. They can handle repetitive or complex tasks without human efforts, saving time and reducing errors. Efficiency. They work 24/7. This is why AI is growing as an industry, and well, businesses are looking into AI because of efficiency, working 24/7. Not just efficiency, but from the list, yeah, automation, decision making, adaptability. Sorry. Yeah. So the next step, decision making. They analyze data and make smart decisions, often better or faster than humans. Number four is adaptability. They learn and improve over time, making them versatile for various applications like customer service, healthcare, or self driving cars. Even. In short, AI agents make life simpler, work faster, and solve problems smarter. Here you can see the chart from 2024, how artificial intelligence has grown in market size. Yeah, so from 2024 to 2034, you can see the predictions. So yeah, last year's market size was $638 billion, and we can see this year we're expecting AI to go to $757 billion in market size. And if we just look in by next year, it'll be at 900. This is just predictions, but you can see it slowly scaling up. And in the next 9 to 10 years, you can see that AI is just growing and growing and growing. And it's best to get in now um, at the bottom. So by the time we get there, our businesses are established and we are ahead of the game. But it's never too late to get into AI. AI agents versus humans. AI agents, they have speed, they process information and perform tasks much faster than humans. Accurate, they excel at repetitive tasks with minimal errors. They are available. They can work 24/7, like we mentioned in the previous slide, without breaks. Scalability, they handle large amounts of data and multiple tasks simultaneously. And then the humans. Uh, so this is what we still have at why AI agents can't completely take over, Because we are creative, innovative, think outside the box, and we solve abstract problems. Emotional intelligence, understand emotions, build relationships, and make decisions. We are adaptable, definitely. We handle unexpected situations and learn from the data or our experience that we have. Number four, ethics and morals. Make value based judgments and consider long term consequences. This can be, I think, many industries can relate to all these mentioned. So, what we're gonna need when we build in our like AI agents, and we're mostly gonna need like the platform N8N. We're also gonna use Make.com, and we're gonna be using OpenAI. I just put Telegram here, but we're gonna be using like um, Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack. But this is basically gonna be like our triggers, Gmail. We're gonna be using going over everything. Whatever I learn, I will make a video and I'll show you guys step by step of my experience as a non-techie. Where can I use AI in my business? Number one, you can use AI for customer service chatbots to answer FAQs and basically 24/7 customer support, which is great for businesses. Number two, bring in sales, bring in leads. You can scrape leads and you can track websites. You can qualify those leads as well. Number three, inventory management inside your business by stock tracking. Number four, marketing. You can use AI in your business to retarget those Facebook ads, even do email marketing or content. Number five, HR recruitment automation. You can schedule interviews and you can send out emails like we mentioned. So this is just a few in the points, but there's many more that you can definitely do in each. Let's go to more. So basically, IT security alerts detect failed login attempts, backup critical files to AWS, which we can do in N8N. Employee onboarding, new hire forms, where if you can even onboard like employees using AI. Assign training modules. Number nine, data analytics reporting. Auto-generate weekly PDF reports. Track social media, which is quite cool. And then social media scheduling. You can post automatically on your social medias. Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it. You can also repurpose YouTube videos. So you can create like TikTok shorts or YouTube shorts from those videos using AI, which is quite cool. And you have unlimited content to post. And you can also use the AI to schedule posts and send it out for you, which is amazing. And number 12 is like a bonus where you can use AI in your business. It gives you like um, access to website tracking, um, where you can scrape like get leads in. You can scan websites basically. Uh, Auto response to Google and trust pilot reviews. So the AI, instead of you manually replying to your Google reviews, you can put a system in where AI can respond and take over exactly the way you would have done it. So you can train the AI. Even given like Trustpilot reviews, it's the same thing. Employee wellness check-ins, which is another thing that you can do. as a bonus. So yeah, thank you guys for coming and watching the YouTube video. We will. This is for beginners, and I am a beginner. And whatever I learn, I will show you guys what I did, the step-by-step guides that I had to do, and to be very easy, very straightforward, to the point. But let's grow this community. Like and subscribe, and please follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and join our Discord community. If you are a developer, if you are new to AI, this community is for everyone. So yeah, thank you everyone.